Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Today is 26th of November and we all are celebrating Constitution Day. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has said, Constitution is not mere lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of life and its spirit is always the spirit of age. Constitution Day is a matter of national pride for all the Indians. On 26th November in 1949, our Indian Constitution was adopted and drafted. It came into effect much later though. As a citizen of India, we all must be aware of our Indian Constitution. Actually, 26th of November generates that awareness in us. Constitution Day or Samvidhan Diwas is celebrated in India on 26th November every year to commemorate the adoption of the Indian Constitution of India. Dr. Ambedkar was a wise constitutional expert. He had studied the constitution of about 60 countries. This day is celebrated to honor Dr. Ambedkar, who is recognized as the father of the Constitution of India. We all know India is the world's largest democracy. With this, it also has the world's largest constitution. At 1,45,000 votes, it is longest written constitution of any sovereign state in the world. This day reminds us importance of the constitution and to spread thoughts and ideas of Dr. Ambedkar. To honor his immense contribution in shaping Indian constitution, Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared 26 November as Constitution Day. This day is celebrated to value and preserve the rich heritage of composite culture and to develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. It is also celebrated to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all countrymen. Let us honor the hard work and sacrifices of the men who gave India its constitution, and let's we all love and respect our nation. Thank you.